Good morning, children. I am K. Ramadevi. Today, I am here with the topic Thinking with Creativity. We are different from living beings by our thinking capacity. Generally, we think differently. That leads creativity and inventions. I have a pen with a cap. Actually, the cap covers the pen, but I can use the cap to make whistles and to bind the separate papers. I use the cap as a whistle and a paper clip. See here, the actual purpose of the cap is to cover the pen, but I used it to whistle and bind papers. Children, you are very intelligent people. You can think differently in different ways. This is called thinking with creativity. And see this, children, what is this? Yes, this is a piece of paper. What is its purpose? Yes, you are using for writing and studying. What can we do with the paper in different ways? Good. Paper rockets, paper boats, flowers, dolls, frogs, and more items. Very good. Actually, paper purpose is to write and study. Now we can use it to make different items. That means we are thinking differently. Look at this. What is this? This is a toothbrush. What is the purpose of it? Good. To clean our teeth. Do you have ever used a toothbrush differently? Yes, you can use in different ways. Use the brush for spray paintings. Use it for cleaning combs and use for cleaning jewelry and clean for furniture carving. And it can be used clean the nails, keyboards and dye hair and comb the hair also. Okay, children. If people never thought differently, what will happen? Yes, there would be no inventions. Everything would be dull and boring. And look at the spray bottle. After finishing the scent, I can use the bottle in another way. I can use it to watering the plants, to spray paintings, or to spray the insecticides, or to spray dishwash gel. Okay, see this, children. This is old generation watch. It is used to know the time. And see another watch, the innovation of the old watch. This is we use to see the time, date, navigation also. And you can see the modern watch. It is also using as a mobile to save contacts, connect to Bluetooth, listening music, watching videos, stopwatch and many features. In the same way, bikes. You can see the old generation bikes here. Those are used to just traveling. These are old generation bikes. The ideas are recreated again and again. Nowadays, bikes are using for bike races. These bikes are more comfortable, looking stylish, and some bikes give more mileage, and it, it has disc brake system to avoid accidents. There are developed more features. Good. Children, do you know what is this? It is a stick. In olden days, people use neem or miswak stick to clean their teeth. Nowadays, we are all know that we are using toothbrush. Look at the phone. This is the first generation mobile phone. It did not have such features like Android mobiles. It has powerful camera equal to this camera. It has torch like a torch. It works as mini laptop. Some apps work like a scanner, and we can watch movies, programs like TV. Now you see these pictures. These are old cars. When we compare the old generation cars, modern cars are more well developed. Its shape help to speed traveling. Its engine power increased. Its seating and luxuries like AC, sound system, etc. are very comfortable in modern generation cars when we compare to old generation cars. So, without thinking or remodeling or recreation of the cars, the same type of cars would run on the road. Children, do you know what are these? Yes, these are soap nuts. We are all know that these are as konkudukayalu. First, the people used soap nuts to wash their hair. Nowadays, different types of shampoos we are using. It happens by thinking creatively. By this lesson, we learn think beyond the ordinary. So, in our daily life, we think differently. By this, we come up with a unique solution and also coming up with the usefulness of an object other than its obvious use will help us utilize the same resources differently. Children, I think you have understand very well what is thinking with creativity. If people never think differently, there would be dull and boring. Thinking creates things. Creativity makes things more comfortable. Now you have a small assessment on this topic.